This is a USB 2.0 flash drive made by PNY, and it's budget friendly. With only 32 gigabytes of storage, it feels like there's a lot more than that. I've had this PNY flash drive for about 2 years now, and it's amazing. I use it to run virtual machines and store videos. If you're interested in picking one of these up, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Let's hop into my screen and see how much it costs. You can get it for as low as $7.89. You can also find 64 gigs for as low as $13.30 and 128 gigs for $21.81. And if you want to go all out, you can find a 256 gigabyte for as low as $41.23. Once again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below.
Hey guys, welcome. Follow us at Dog Potty Training Secret on Instagram for amazing content and tips and tricks on how to potty train your puppy anywhere, anytime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Hit the bell button for the notifications. And thank you so much for watching.